What's up guys, it's Charlene with Pink Cap Design, and today we're doing our very first UX Mystery Challenge. And I don't know what the challenge is or the tools I'll be using, whether it's Adobe XD, Sketch, Figma, and we'll be figuring that out with our golden raffle. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now we're in front of our barrel and I'm going to be choosing the winners of this mystery challenge. Alright, so the challenge will be local book finder. So creating a local book finder. And the tool, one of my favorites, Adobe XD. All right, so let's get started. So here I'm starting off with pencil and paper. I always find it easier to start off with paper because if you need to make changes, you could always erase it or just start off with a fresh piece of paper. I'm laying out the problem, the 5 W's, who, what, where, when, why, and the how will be the wireframes that we're drawing up here. The first page will be the search bar where you can search for the title of the book, and the second page will be the search results page listing all of the local bookstores that have a copy of the book in their inventory. And here's what I have so far. And then we'll transfer this onto our XD page. All right, now we're in Adobe XD. I hit the A button to get the artboard presets on the right. I selected a iPhone X artboard size, and now we're going to recap what we're building. So right here we have the problem, which is a local book finder, and our users are book lovers, and we're going to create a tool that they can search for specific books within a close range of the user's location. And we're going to do that by creating a responsive web app that uses GPS for the user's location, but they could also type in different cities or locations if they're not going to use their local location. And we're going to assume that the user is a book lover who likes to support local businesses and is willing to travel a small distance to get their book that they need. And here we have just a time lapse of me building out the bookfinder tool. And here I'm actually figuring out what type of logo I want to build. And I have 2 fonts here that I thought would work for this logo. So I went ahead and pasted them in, and the 2 lines underneath those O's there gave me an idea where I could take those 2 O's in book and create a reading glasses type of logo. So here I'm just going to build that out. And I also have some sketches I also did in Procreate, and I'll just throw some of those sketches up as well so you guys can see, you know, this is kind of like a mini logo tutorial within a different tutorial. So you get that bonus here. So here I'm tweaking the logo, and once I'm happy with the logo, I'll add it to the mockup. And here you'll see I'm adding a hero image to the mockup with a rectangle mask. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a separate tutorial on how to do that in Adobe XD. For the layout, I knew I wanted to make the search bar front and center so users could easily search for the specific book title. And the search bar can return specific topics or books by an author, not just a specific book title if they're looking for a little bit more. And underneath the search bar, I initially wanted to add a section that showcased local bookstores near the user with a 3x3 grid, but decided to change it up with a more horizontal carousel component, which is easier on the eyes and doesn't take away from the search bar functionality. For the primary color, I chose blue since it's associated with reliability, loyalty, security, and tranquility. And if you're wondering where I got all these great images, I usually get all my photography from Unsplash or Pexels. So I'll have those up right here, and I'll put them in the description box below. So they're free to use for everyone. I highly recommend those two sites. Really HD, high resolution photos that anybody can use. So here we're just zooming in into the mock-up, and I decided to do just 3 high fidelity mock-ups of the bookfinder. And the first page is that home page where you can search for the title of your book, and then once you click on the search bar, you'll go to that second page in the middle there where you'll see the title, and then you can confirm that the location you want to use is your current location. And then the third page will be the search results. We'll stop here for now. Let me know what you thought of our first episode, and if there's any other types of challenges that you want to see. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.